Hi everyone, welcome to another video from A Million Sweet Things from Lulu Mayo. We're obviously working through this page and we have these two which we're going to be doing today. Pairs of pants, I would call them, or knickers, or maybe underpants. I don't know what you might call them, but I don't know if I want you to comment and tell me what you're going to call them either. Might not be very appropriate, but anyway. We're going to be colouring them in today. I'm thinking pretty delicate colours is always really nice. So I'm going to start actually with the azalea pink. It's a really lovely delicate pink for this pair here. Now we've got a bit of a lace detail going on at the... Oh, this is the one that needs sharpening, isn't it? Let's give it a sharpen. We've got a bit of a lace detail going on at the top. Normally I would leave that white, but I think we'll just try and find a very light colour for it, which will be better than leaving it white. There we go. I think that's going to work for us. I'm just going to, as I say, do it quite gently. I don't want a really dark pink colour. So let's just leave it pale. I think it's rather sweet having a heart. I don't think I've ever, maybe once, seen a pair with a heart on. I'm wondering if this video will be demonetized because of the content. I have had a couple demonetized. One was a mermaid with a little shell bra on, and one was a gargoyle coloured in, which obviously he didn't have any clothes on, but he was greystone, and so I had to go to YouTube and go, please don't demonetize these videos because there's nothing naughty going on. Now our heart, oh actually no, I've done these bits a bit darker because we've got the lines drawn in by Lulu, but I'm thinking actually maybe the sides might be a little bit darker just to add a bit of shape, like that. Really nothing too much because I don't want them too dark, but I think that helps just a tan. Now I think we might do the heart quite bold. What have we got? We could use there's a lot of pinks in this set that are really quite similar. I'm going to use the purple light, I think, if I can find it. Is that it there? Yeah. Purple light. I'm not going to press really hard though because it is very bold. But I just want it to be a deeper colour than the fabric that we've done already. There we go. And I'm thinking maybe we'd do the lace detail in the same. Again, I'm trying to keep it quite light. I'm just going gently, not pressing too hard. There we go. Okay, let's do our little friend that's wearing them. They're a little bit big, aren't they? Just a tad. I'm thinking a sort of purpley blue. Let's go for the cobalt blue. It's quite a nice tone. Not sure we've used it either. We get to use a different one. Well, I have done a little blue friend. Maybe I used cobalt blue in the first video. Let me have a quick look. Because our little friend in the first video looked blue. Whoops. Yeah, yes, I did. Ah well. There's, I might have 120 colours, but I'm sure I've repeated quite a few, especially as we haven't used any oranges or yellows. I sort of wanted prettier tones really. There we go. Now We've got this pair here with a little cat in. Now I'm thinking, what colour's that cat? It's this sort of stripy. I'm always tempted to do like a ginger, but I don't think it's really going to match, although we have got a few browns and golds. I'm thinking maybe a grey. I'm not very good at knowing what colour to colour cats. I'm going to use I'm just trying to find what I want. I'm going to use the Davys grey. It's a slightly brownish grey, a warmer grey, and just see how our cat looks just with the one grey colour. And if you've got a cat, you might want to colour it the colour of your cat. I don't have a cat. I've never had a cat. My mum used to have a cat when she was young, but it became quite difficult. She had a rabbit and a cat, right? And not the same time, I don't think. The rabbit was difficult because you had to clean out the cage, which is never a nice job, is it? The cat got run over, so I don't know how they paid for the vet bill, or whether it didn't make it. I can't remember the story. But her cat was called Blackie, so I'm sort of guessing on the colour there. Might have been black. Right. Let's do something a bit different. We haven't done a lot of, we've got a few green things on this page, and I'm thinking let's do these green. Cadmium green pale I'm looking for. Where is it? It's hiding. You have to bear with me. I'm sorry. There it is. Cadmium green pale. Now these got little hearts on as well, but I just wanted to do a different sort of colour. I don't know, is green a good colour? Come in all sorts of colours, don't they? So I don't think it really matters what you choose. Now, like with these, I'm going to try and make them just a little bit darker on this edge and sort of fade it in. Do the same thing on this side. Like that. And then these bits a bit darker. Really quite straightforward. Now you could put some extra shadow along these edges in a grey or a black, but I think it's okay without that. I think it works okay. I'm just going to blend that in a little bit more, fade it in. There we go. Okay, well, I am going to make that do. I know it's quite quick. There isn't a lot to do with those, and it's lunchtime, and I'm going to go and get some lunch. So thank you so much for watching. I do hope that you have a super day, and happy colouring.